Okay, hi, I'm Chitra Iyer. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Space to Grow. Space to Grow is a human-first consulting firm, and we've been working on issues of digital safety of children, anti-human trafficking, inclusive skilling, and child protection. We started our bootstrap company at Avanta, and it's 5 years now, and we're scaling up. And we have now what we were very small first, just the two of us, and we have a proper team, and we have like a two-room space here. So as Avanta is growing here, we've been growing together actually. We were scouting for a lot of places and we came across Avanta. And, so of course, after a lot of scouting around, I remember walking into Avanta the first time, and I also remember very clearly to just see the space when we came. Ravi was here, and the moment I entered, I was like, "This is the place. We want to be here," because you need not just an office space, but also a space where you feel that you really can work. And I think the first gut that both Anuj and I had was, this is a good place to probably set up our startup. One thing was very, very clear. We were more of a very formal startup consulting firm. We wanted a space where if we get our clients, we should be able to have like a good meeting space, a great pantry, and then more than anything, a very quiet place to work as well. It wasn't like, we wanted a place where it's too chilling and too cool as well, but at the same time, we didn't want something too serious as well. So I think it just fit the bill of being a place where you could have a quieter place to really work with, but a chilling place when you're out of your workspace. So I think that was what really was something which really fit the bill. So the atmosphere is really good. I think over the periods, it's only got better. Culturally, this is a place which has quite a lot of diversity because there are different sets of people. There are youngsters, there are old people who are setting up their own stuff. So I think the diversity and the difference of set of people who come across and you end up having conversations, I think that's quite brilliant. It's always been a pleasure to connect with the front desk and have the conversations. It's very easy. It's a good mix of getting the right things getting done at the front desk, but to have like a team which you can always back up with, there is a backup out here where you can actually, even if there is an escalation, it's not like you have to worry about escalating and getting your things resolved. But the whole point is, do they get resolved? Yes, they do. And I think that's very, very important in a co-work space because a lot of things anyways are something that get taken care of, and that's why you come to a place like that. But you still need certain support, and I think it's been quite good actually. What I like most is very personal, the fact that we've been able to grow at Avanta, so I think I quite like that. The second piece is the fact that there is a great working space. You need a vibe to come to a place and work, and that vibe is extremely high, and you want to come back here every day and work. And third, I love my room, the one which has the glass and I can see something outside. I don't have to stare at my computer always, so I think I quite like that. And apart from all that, the fact that everything is getting celebrated and there are things that are happening at Avanta is very nice. And I have to give full credit to the front desk. The decors that happen these days is just absolutely phenomenal, which makes you feel like, oh wow, this is festive. So I think those are some things which are interesting, and I think kudos for changing the coffee machine. You get the best coffee now. I don't have to go back and wonder whether I should order from Starbucks or from Third Wave. So I think I'm pretty settled with the coffee as well. So it's all good. So summing up the entire experience would be a great place to work. And I think for me, work is really important. So one thing everybody comes and says is, wow, what a great place. So I think that feeling, I think you should just continue to build on and never, go even like a 0.5 down on that. Continue to be a great place to work, create that vibe, and continue to be a supportive workplace, I think definitely would recommend Avanta.